Mabuhay! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we are back for another video reaction. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Love. So for today's video guys, we'll do react on this talented male group from Philippines, SB19, as they perform the first take with the song Mapa. I'm so excited to listen to it, guys. But before we start this video, big shout out to all 18 and also SB19 fans who's always watching my reaction video on this boys. Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat for supporting my channel. And also guys, this is the second time na magpo-perform ang SB19 sa The First Take with a Tagalog song. The first one is Gento and the second song is Mapa. So sobrang excited talaga ako and proud Pinoy. SB19 is the first Filipino group or Filipino artist na nag-perform sa The First Take. So, sobra. I've been doing reaction video on The First Take and this is the first time na may nag-perform na Filipino and I'm really so proud. Thank you so much SB19 for this. Well, I know I talk too much. I'm really so excited to watch this one. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Goodness.
Grabe.
We
back. Nakakabingi yung katahimikan dito.
Yeah.
Bro, we back.
Wow. We're back here again.
Silent, man.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. Tell me when you're ready. You guys ready?
We're not.
I'm so nervous, man. I'm so nervous.
You ready?
Yeah. We good?
Yeah.
Kinakabahan si Josh.
Yeah, let's do this. Let's go.
Mama, kumusta na di na? Tayo lagi nakikita. Miss na
Matay ba na yung
kita
totoo?
sobra.
Ang gwapo ni Justin.
Lagi na lang kami
Iba yung ngiti ni Justin, no?
Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing
Oh, wow,
mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng
Iba yung aura ng voice na. Iba yung aura nila.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna.
Oh, wow,
Ako
Pablo.
nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna. Ako na. La-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara. Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Ako'y bata pa, di ba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo magkalayo man tayo. Ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Ikaw ang aking sa tuwing ako'y gagapang.
Lakas ng aura nito.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang ginagawa, papa. Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-tsara-tsara, la-tsara-la-tsara. Di ko na sasayangin pang mga natitirang paghinga. Tutungo na kung saan naroon ng mahalaga. Kahit na kailan pa may di mawala pagkadala kong mapa. San man mapunta lang kung saan nagmula. Huwag mag-alala.
May tumatay pala yung ako.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang ginagawa, pahinga muna, ako na. Tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara, 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 la-tara,
Napapa-speechless ako sa part na style.
Pahinga muna, ako na.
Oh my goodness. How was it, guys?
Yeah, ask me
How
how
are
it
you?
was.
Maganda, maganda.
Yeah.
Sobrang maganda.
I feel it.
We all enjoy.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's really good here.
It's always a good experience to be here. Amazing.
Thank you so much.
Oh. Wow! Ang lalim ng boses ni Ken. Anyway, guys, there you have it. Mappa performed the first take by SB19. Wow! Sobrang ma-appreciate mo yung mga part lines nila kasi sobrang lahat sila, alam mo yun, umiibaba. Ang galing! Speechless ako, tumayo balahibo ko, guys. Talagang hagulgul talaga ako kasi every time na pinapakinggan ko yung kantang Mappa, talagang sobrang nagtitiri-eye ako. Natatouch ako sa lyrics nung kanta at the same time. Ang ganda kasi nung harmony, nung mga yung tugtog, yung boses nila, ang ganda, sobrang ganda. Alam natin, and it's really obvious na sobrang kinakabahan sila. Especially Josh, talagang sinabi niya nervous siya, pero it turned out na sobrang ganda nung performance nila sa the first take. Again, this is the second time na performance na sa first take and ang ganda ng kinalabasan. Even though, nararamdaman natin na kinakabahan talaga sila. Iba talaga. Sobra. Wow, I'm so proud of you guys. Sobrang galing nyo. And this is the first time talaga na nagkaroon ng performance sa first take na Filipino and we're so proud of them. Congratulations to you again, SB19, for successful performance on the first take. And wow, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy reaction video for today. Na speechless lang ako. Na-enjoy ako sa kanta. And I hope na hindi kayo talaga umiyak while listening to this song. And natulala ako sa boses na style. Talagang, oh my god, natulala lang talaga ako dun sa part na style. Anyway, there you have it, guys. If you want to watch full video in this, I'm gonna put the link on my description box below. Hope you check it. And if you haven't, subscribe to my channel, please still like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, guys, please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to all my videos. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day today. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe for one.